Good afternoon. Today we are going to see how we can use virtual lab in chemistry. As we already know, most of the experiments which we do in basic chemistry or applied science, they are based on titration. So we are going to learn how we can perform titration without going to the lab, without using the apparatus, without using the chemicals, so we can save the resource. So the only way by which we can do it is virtual lab. See, this is what the interface of the virtual lab. The link I'll be providing you in your WhatsApp group. So in virtual lab, you can see we have, this is what the virtual lab for water analysis. So we have, you can see we have theory part. So once you click on theory, you will see we have objective theory. Then we have the procedure part. Once you click it, you will see how to perform the experiments. Steps are already given. The calculations, observation table, results, all the things are given on it. You can self-evaluate by yourself by solving all these questions. And finally, we can use simulator to perform the experiment. So here I'm going to just perform titration so that you can have an idea how to perform experiments in the lab. See, this is simulator. So you'll have to register on virtual lab. I'll send you the link for registration. So see, this is what the setup for the titrations, right? See, we can see this is a burette and we have a conical flask. You can see inside the conical flask there is some reagents whose color is wine red or pink. So here we are going to perform the titrations. So let me select. So you can see select test. So here I'm going to calculate the hardness of water or determine the hardness of water, right? So in conical flask we are going to add tap water, and the volume of tap water which is taken is 10 ml, and titrant is the substance that is what taken in the burette. And in this case we have titrant is EDTA, right? So we have taken 10 ml of standard hard water or any sample water that is taken from the tap water in the conical flask, and then we add a reagent which gives color to it, that's called EBT, eriochrome black tea, and then we add a buffer which provides the wine red color, right? Now let the molarity of the titrant is 0.01 molar. Let me increase the speed of titrant so that we can get the reading fast, right? So all the things are set. Now I am going to start the experiment. So let me click on the start. You can see in this what happens. We have to stop the experiment the moment wine red color in the conical flask turns blue, right? So let me start. So you can see the droplets from burette are falling down inside the conical flask. You have to wait till you get the end point. So you can see the droplets. We have to wait, we have to observe. See the blue color, so you have to stop this. So you can see result you have already get. So the moment I have added 1.6 ml of titrant in the conical flask, color changes from wine red to blue. Now you can record this data. You can record this data over here in this table. So by this we can save time. We can do more and more of practice without misusing the chemicals, and it is very safe. So all of you, it's mandatory for you to register on the VLab so that you can perform some different experiments too. Thank you.